Good morning, State Line. Take a look at some of these pictures from around the viewing area yesterday as a cold front slid through, brought us showers and some strong to severe storms. We were under a severe thunderstorm watch for the entire viewing area, and then some warnings were issued by the National Weather Service because a lot of these storms had some gusty winds with them, winds upwards of 60, even 70 miles an hour, and some areas of brief heavy rain as they slid through the area. Caused a lot of damage there. You can see a lot of wind damage, trees uprooted, limbs all over the place, and some power outages as well throughout the area. Completely different story today, complete 180, so it's going to be a great day to start the cleanup process as high pressure builds into the area today and will stay partly sunny. But let's take a look at the map here, and you can see some storm reports throughout the area. It all started to make its formation and get its act together over central portions of Iowa. And you can see actually the National Weather Service sent a crew out to Mechanicsville, Iowa, where they did see damage from a brief tornado. It lifted 2 grain bins and caused some damage to some cornfields as well on its way through. And then when it made its way over to our neck of the woods, you can see 2 distinct lines where we were looking at a lot of wind damage. One starting in Carroll County, one down in Whiteside County, making their way through Ogle and Lee counties and into DeKalb County. And we tracked these storms as they moved through yesterday afternoon, bringing winds upwards of 60, even 70 miles an hour. And that's what caused a lot of the damage you saw there in the pictures. Complete different story today, and that's topping off our weather headlines. 180-degree difference from yesterday to today, as we're going to see temperatures slightly below average. We were a little bit above average before the cold front came in, and we saw some sunshine yesterday afternoon. That's what helped fuel some of those thunderstorms late yesterday afternoon into the evening hours. High pressure keeps us dry today and cool behind the cold front. We keep the cool weather around. Take a look at this. Potential first freeze we're talking about late Friday and into the day Saturday, depending on how much cloud cover we see on Friday. I'll have details on that in just a few minutes. Speaking of cloud cover, take a look at our Mercy Health Skycam. Was clear just a few minutes ago, but clouds are building in. We're going to see a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day today. And you can see clouds are dominating the Poplar Grove Airport sky right now. Temperatures throughout the viewing area, 46 degrees, winds out of the west at 6 miles an hour. Winds will stay breezy throughout the day today, even windier tomorrow. Winds tomorrow gusting upwards of 25, even 30 miles an hour. We're starting off in the mid-40s. We'll warm it up into the mid-60s. Cold front sliding off to the east. Still going to bring some strong storms to portions of the northeast. For us, we're going to stay clear and partly sunny throughout the better part of today. But you can see the cold front here on the map, very well defined. Temperatures in front of it in the 60s and 70s, behind it 40s and 50s, but high pressure, that's what's going to keep us sunny throughout the day today. As it dipped down, it brought some cooler air with it, and the cooler air is going to linger into the forecast today, tomorrow, into your Friday, Saturday, and for the better part of Sunday too, before temperatures Sunday night and going into Monday start to rebound a little bit above average. Take a look at temperatures yesterday. We topped out in the low 80s. As that cold front came through, dipped low temperatures down last night into the upper 40s. Today we'll top out in the low and mid 60s, so a complete difference. And like I mentioned, we have to throw in the talk about potential first freeze coming Friday into Saturday, depending on how much cloud cover. And some of the models are pointing at a little bit of rain potentially in the forecast Friday night into Saturday, which would help keep us a little bit warmer with the cloud cover. But our average first freeze usually occurs around the first part of October. First hard freeze, when temperatures get a little bit cooler down into the upper 20s, doesn't occur usually until the middle of October. Futurecast mapping it out for you today. Not much of anything here, just a few passing clouds, otherwise partly sunny skies. Tonight we stay mainly clear. That'll help dip temperatures down into the mid-40s overnight tonight. Tomorrow we stay dry to start off the day, then increasing clouds. Can't rule out an isolated passing shower tomorrow afternoon. Better chance late afternoon and into the evening hours for that passing shower to happen throughout the viewing area. Today warming it up, 64 degrees, a few passing clouds, otherwise breezy tonight. Keeping it clear and cool, 45 the overnight low. Tomorrow, another day of below average temperatures, 68 degrees, increasing clouds, passing shower, can't be ruled out. Winds gusting near 30 tomorrow. We keep the cool temperatures around in that 7-day forecast. After the passing shower tomorrow, can't rule out a shower late in the day on Friday. And then much of Saturday will be dry. Sunday, though, looks like we return the chance for some rain into the forecast. Better bet, though, Monday and Tuesday for some showers and storms. Temperatures rebounding back into the mid-70s Monday and Tuesday. But before that, a cool down throughout the rest of the week.
All right. Thank you, Ryan.
At 7:16, coming up next on Eyewitness News.